Hey people, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to customize and remap the PS5 buttons to best suit your needs. But first what you want to do is head up to settings here at the top and then come up to accessibility. Now on accessibility you want controllers, and below here you have a few different things you can change on the controller. However, if you want to customize it completely, you want to come up to the top here and select custom button assignment for DualSense wireless controller. Now here you want to enable customer button assignment, so you want to toggle this on and then you want to come down to custom button assignments. Now as you can see, all the buttons on the controller are listed, so selecting any of the buttons you can then come down and choose which button you want to do that function on. So if you want to change the function of any button, you want to select it. Let's say you want to change the triangle, and then you can come down and select which button you want to do that new function, and as you can see it's changed to the triangle to the circle, and the circle has changed to the triangle. Once you've assigned all the buttons to change how you require them, you simply click apply, and now the buttons will all be assigned to how you choose them. However, I don't want to save them, so I'll click cancel it. Also on this page you can switch the left and right sticks by toggling this button at the bottom here, and that is how to customize and remap your PS5 controller to best suit your gaming needs. I hope that video was helpful, and if it was, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thanks for watching.